Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how you can solve this problem which you are seeing the screen. This website can't be reached. This will be solved by me. So if you are new, subscribe our channel and click into the bell icon for more notifications. Actually, this website makes us angry because these websites show like this. So I'll try to solve this problem in a minute. So if you want watch, please watch full tutorial because I will give you the informative things. So don't miss the tutorial and also watch full tutorial so that you can understand how to fix this website or site can't be reached. First, you have to download VPN from Play Store. Search VPN and here is the VPN. Click into that and open the Turbo VPN and you will find ads which is 2 or 3 seconds. After closing the ad, you have to select a country. I am selecting United States. Here is the VPN connected. You will see here an ad. You have to cut the ad and here the VPN is connected and in the top you are seeing the VPN is connected and click into the link which is showing that the site can't be reached. After clicking, you have to open in browser. You have to open in browser the link site. After opening, you have the interface like this. Then you have to click into the go to site and then you have to wait some time and then here is the result. So how is the video? Tell me in the comments and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share and don't forget to like our video. So it is the solve and it is the fix of this site can't be reached, which you can't be reached. I had solved in a minute. How easy it is, you can imagine. By connecting a VPN, you can easily solve the problem. Share with your friends for know about my channel. I am Ahmed from ARZONE. Subscribe our channel and click into the bell icon for more notifications. Assalamu alaikum.